Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony again. So we are up from the positions that we bought yesterday. We are up about 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. We are up about 33%, but we are down 7% on two positions, which is about 14. So 33 minus 14 is 33 minus 10. So we're up about 19% overall. Um, we actually were up a little bit more on CBAT. CBAT was actually up about 40%, but I did not sell yesterday. So we would have actually been up more like, more like 39% roughly. But I didn't sell yesterday. I'm actually going to sell right now. So I'm going to start selling my positions. Overall, we are up 19%. If you guys had $1,000 on each position here, we would have been up about 190 bucks. So it would require, collateral of like 10,000 bucks, and you would have made about $160 overall. Like I said, this isn't a strategy to make a crap ton of money. It's more of a stable strategy to play momentum every single day. And it does, and I basically made money every single time that I use the strategy. 100% so far, like I showed you guys. Like I said, I can keep doing it on random days or keep doing it every day just to see what the average is. Um, but you guys already seen every single day, we made money, whether it's 10%, 15%, 30%, 40%, whatever, right? The point of this strategy is to actually, you know, have stable like a stable income per day. Either the bet there's two things that you want to happen. You either make money or you break even. What you don't want is you don't want to lose money, right? But as long as you break even or you make money, that's the best. So that's kind of the best thing that you're hoping for. So there's like a, you know, 66% chance that you might actually that it might go good for you, right? Just based off those odds, because all you really want is to either break even for the day or you want to make money. What you don't want is you don't want to lose money. But yeah, we are up about 19%. If I sold yesterday with CBAT being at like 39% gain, we would have actually been up like to 40+%, I think. See you guys later.